Today I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use your C-stand. Hey guys, it's Adrian Harrison here. I've been shooting professionally since 2007 and this channel is about me sharing my knowledge with you to help you improve your photos, whether you're shooting for yourself, whether you're shooting for clients, or whether you're shooting for your own business or website. I'm going to help you improve your photos. Okay, the first way you can use your C-stand is as a light stand. You can pop it straight on the end of the spigot here and you can raise it up easily as so. You should be wearing gloves, which I'm not doing because you can easily hurt your fingers there. When you're raising a light, you always start from the top riser. If you start from the bottom riser, and now you want to go up even higher, you can't reach. So tip is start from the top riser. That way you can go up and then you can go up again easily. And when you're loosening and tightening stands as well, you want to make sure that you only give it half a turn. You don't need to do it 10 times because that just makes it harder to do it back up again. So you only give it just enough, as much as you need to loosen it off, which is normally half or even a quarter of a turn. So that's the first thing you can do. Next thing you can do is you can put an extension arm on the end of your C-stand like this. And this is really where the magic is and why they're such a good stand. So once you've got your extension arm on, and what you can do with your light is having the extension is going to allow you to easily get that over the top of subjects. And it's a very safe way of holding a light out, and you'll keep the light stand out of your shot and allows you to easily maneuver your light around like this, and you can put it in any direction you want really. One tip when using the extension arm like this is to always make sure that the long leg is in front of the load. And so the load being the light here. So you never want to have the stand on the side like this without the leg in front, because it can easily tip over like that. See, that won't even stay there, that'll fall over by itself. Make sure the arm is out in front of the long leg, and for extra stability I would always be putting sandbags on that leg as well, that way it's not going to fall over. The next thing you can do is put a reflector or flag on the end of your extension arm. This is just a piece of foam core in this case, but all you need to do is have a grip head on the end like this, open it up, if I can get it in there, slide it in and then just tighten it up, and again you can maneuver that around any way you want, and you can easily get that where you want and put it in places that you might not ordinarily be able to get to with a normal tripod stand. Next thing you can do is, if you've got 2 C-stands, you can mount a background on it. So you can have seamless paper roll. This is a small one in this case, just for this purpose of demonstrating. You just have simply on one side, thread the other side through, this is much easier with 2 people. The other thing you can do with C-stand is you can hang things off it, of course. So when I'm shooting products, especially bags, things like that, and I want the strap to be suspended in the air, I can use a C-stand to easily do that. So quick and easy to set it up, just move it into place, set it up like that, and then you can hang your strap off the very end. Here's the 5th and final use of your C-stand. You can use it as an overhead camera stand. Just put your tripod head on the end of your C-stand, and then you can put your camera on this. Definitely make sure you're using the sandbag. Also make sure the longest leg is out in front of the load and the camera. And then you can get your camera up really high. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel below. And I'd love to hear your comments on how else that you use C-stands as well. Catch you next time.